It is claimed that homeopathy is an unproven science, but actually, homeopathy is based on experimental, pharmacological, and clinical data. Over the years, homeopathic medicines have been extensively studied for their efficacy in a variety of indications. In fact, the term allopathy was coined by the founder of homeopathy, that is, Master Samuel Hahnemann, whom the allopaths regard as the founder of experimental pharmacology. The homeopathy gives the same white pills for all types of illness. How can they be really effective? But actually, depending upon the illness, homeopaths medicate with different medicines. In homeopathy, medicine is prescribed on the principle similia similibus curenter. The sugar pills serve only as a vehicle for the transfer of the medicine. Homeopathic medicines are only sugar pills which act more as placebos and have no medicinal value as such. But yes, the white sugar pills, they don't have as such medicinal values, but this act as a vehicles or carriers for the medicine which are alcohol based. Otherwise, the medicine can be taken directly or in dissolved water. Homeopathic medicines have been scientifically studied all over the globe and have found to be effective in a wide range of diseases. Thus, they are not placebos. It is said that homeopathic medicine acts slowly. While this is not true, there are two common factors that determine speedy recovery. First, time. Second, severity of the disease. Homeopathy acts in infective diarrhea, fever, urticarial rashes, in acute exacerbation of asthma, to name a few instances. Unfortunately, people go to homeopath as a last resort, and by then the disease would have progressed quite a bit. Severity of the disease increases with time. Homeopathy cannot treat serious or advanced medical condition, but the fact is homeopathy is just like any other medical system wherein various conditions from acute to chronic can be treated. You can avoid surgery by taking homeopathic medications. Based on the severity and pathological changes, homeopaths guide the patient whether to take a medication or go for surgery. Every homeopath is well aware of scope and limitation of his system. In short, you can approach a homeopath from C to C, that is, from cold to cancer. It is always said that homeopathic medicines cannot be taken with conventional, that is, allopathic medicine. But the fact is, conventional medicines and homeopathic medicines can be safely taken together with advantage without any harm. Diabetic patients cannot take homeopathic medicine as they are sweet. But the fact is, homeopathic medicines do not contain glucose. They are made up of complex sugar, which is also known as lactose. The actual amount of sugar in homeopathic medicines consumed over a period of 1 week is not more than 1 teaspoon. And still, if the patient disagrees to this, homeopathic medicines can be taken in liquid form, which is not sweet. Homeopathic medicines contain steroid. Homeopathic medicines are prepared from natural substances and are sweet. Steroid taste bitter, and so there is no steroid in homeopathic medicines.